Hare Krishna, Happy Radha Ashtami. Today I'm going to tell you how to make something very special that Krishna always steals and the gopis always make it again. So, it's butter. It's not the butter that we buy in the shops. It's special kind of butter that you can get at Vrindavan. I've put double cream in here and now I'm going to mix it. See, this is the double cream that I've used and I've just put it in the blender. And now I'm just going to mix it and we will blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to start blending. So now I've finished mixing it. So now I'm going to add chilled water to it. Add the water slowly. Not too fast, otherwise it might overflow. So I'm just going to carefully put the water in. I've added a little bit of water, and then if the water can overflow, put the water in and put the lid back on and then shake it for a bit. So now I'm going to add more water in. So now I've finished adding the water in, I'm going to put the lid on. Now we're going to mix it for 2 or 3 minutes. So now I'm going to start mixing. So there wasn't enough water, so I'm just going to add some more water. See, I've put the lid on and now we're going to blend it again. So you can see the blender's voice has changed. So I'm assuming the butter has come out. So I'm just going to open it now. Finally, it's done. I'm actually quite happy that it came out well because it doesn't all the time. It doesn't actually come out that good. So I'm giving you a close look of it. So this is how it should look. So I'm making it for Krishna. So I need to keep hygiene. So I've washed my hands and now I'm wearing gloves. So I'm going to pour this in this container here. So luckily, when I was making it, the butter stayed in. There's just a little bit of butter that went in. So with the help of my hands, I'm going to take that butter out and pour it in this plate right here. So I'm taking it out and I'm going to make little small bubbles. So this is what it's looking like so far. Now I've made this one, I'm just going to put it in a plate, like this. Hare Krishna, so I've made the butter and I've made the balls. So I'm just going to put it in the pot so Krishna can feel like he's eating in Vrindavan. So we can mix it with sugar to make Makhan Mishri, which is also served in Vrindavan. But I'm going to offer it like this. So this is a close-up view of this. So these are my deities, so I'm going to offer it to them. So I'm going to close the curtains first. Namo Vishnu Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namane Namaste Saraswati Deva Gauravani Pacharani Namaste Shri Hinyavadi Pashatari Shatarini Namo Mahavanyaya Krishna Pranavadayate Shri Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanyaya Namne Varshan Namaha Namo Brahmaya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Jagrajaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. So I hope my deities like it and I hope you make it and offer it to your deities too. And I hope they like it too. Hare Krishna.